So it finally happened. Yeah, this. After having it since launch, also with the carrying case that I barely kind of use, and yeah, goodbye old friend. I guess I could salvage this. So yeah, in comes this guy, an Elite strap replacement from TopPerfekt. I actually got this off of Amazon. It wasn't too much. So the two things that really attracted me, one, I didn't really see a lot of reviews. It was like 4 stars, 4.5 stars, and also on top of that, it has like a really cool like sense of modularity. It has like 3 ways to set it up, depends on like the level of comfort that you'd like. So yeah, let's go check it out. Safety first. Always close your knife after using. And boom. This is actually my first time opening it and actually using it, so that's kind of cool. Yeah, I'm guessing this is the back part. Very breathable foam. Velcro stuff on the back. Cool. And this looks like the top part. Yeah. Get the top part here. And this is like the semi-bottom. Well, the middle. I don't know why I said semi-bottom. I meant middle. Not bad. And the overhead strap. Definitely need that. And then this is like the bottom part if you want to like nice and firm bottom part, right? Set it up should be pretty easy. Rotate the knob counterclockwise to extend the band. Oh, okay, cool. Oh yeah, you see the bands right here. Ooh, it's a little noisy. Ooh, that's really noisy. So which way goes on the outer area? Or is it the other way? I don't think of the other way, but this is left on left though. Interesting. Ooh. This is gonna take a little bit of figuring out. Hold on. What's the final product look like? Okay. Sorry, buckle on the outside. Do you even tech stuff, bro? So dumb. It was the other way around. Oh my god. This part right here has to be towards the inside of the band. Duh. There you go. That's why I didn't want to bite and buckle, because I had it the wrong way. Alright, cool. Alright, so does that, no? Does that let me, I don't know, man. Okay, those are just buckles. So they don't mean to like slide in and out like that. Not like the other ones. Alright, so this one's kind of weird, right? So if you guys see that, if you guys can see that, how that's shaped. It's one of those things that like you slide in on the big part and then, well, you put in the big part and then you slide into the side. So this is basically mode 1 right here. Mode 2, 3, when you want to add this at the bottom. And what that gives you really is just like different like levels of pressure on your liking, right? All right. So mainly the reason why I ended up getting the headset, oh well, this one really is because this is what I've been working on, and it's kind of working pretty well. I did have the option to go with the HTC like deluxe audio, but I already have like VR earbuds from Logitech, and I didn't really want to double down on like, not use this anymore, because this is like shortened and customized for VR usage. So let's go ahead and take these out. Oh no. Oh no. No. What are you doing? What are you doing? All right. Cool. All right. Now to do this one, just twist and pop, twist and pop. Now take off the facial interface so you can take away the headband, and then you're left with just the headset. Got a right side here. Okay. Okay. Just checking, double checking my work. Let's put the headband just in case, right? Got your 3 bands right here. Put back the facial interface. Snug, nice and snug. And there you go. You got version 1 right there. Ooh, okay. That's actually like really snug. Feels like a helmet. So this mode is not too bad. Sorry, that's like flip-flopping in my face. Very distracting. So let me see here. Okay, not bad. Decent weight on the back. Just enough to like keep this off my face. And the nice cushion and the compressing pressure on that one is not too bad as well. It feels like a snug head on this one. Okay, now that's mode 1, right? That right there. That's mode 1 basically, right? Now let's add the bottom part to like because like this part right here is a little flimsy. Now on the bottom section right here, you also have the Velcro part right here to match the bottom part, and it's just gonna stick on there. Okay, so let's go and pop this back on, loosen it just a little bit. So the bottom part, I don't think it kind of matches my head shape. There's a lot of gap in the back, but kind of deems it useless. Whew. Okay, now for the last part, the top portion. I want to try it out without this, see how that feels. If it's secure without it, keeping my hair nice and secured. If I don't need this, I'm not gonna use it, but we'll see. That's not bad. Yeah, let's see how it is with it though. Okay, so the weight distribution is a little bit more even once you pull the tab from the front, forcing the headset to like lift off your face a little bit and like be lifted up just a little bit. Let's see if my ghetto batteries will be okay. Okay, so I got my battery pack right there, kind of secured. Yeah, it's not gonna go anywhere. It's not going anywhere. Okay, so first off, might not be a good idea to put the battery back there, because when you look up, I can already feel it at like the base of my neck. But as far as like battery weight distribution, yeah, this seems pretty fair. Okay, all right, nice and snug and secured at the top. But yeah, so here's my advice, right? Have it kind of like angled out like this. Once you put on your face mask right there, you kind of like place it to like the perfect clearest picture that you can do, and then feed it from the back right here. Now don't make the mistake of going all the way at the bottom, because then this one would be useless, the bottom part. So kind of like seat it like right there, and once you get it, just kind of like push it. Just find the perfect like pressure that you like, and still maintaining that clear picture. And right now all I'm seeing is barely any God rays, barely any blurriness, nice even pressure. I can move around just fine, leaning not too shabby. Okay, so picture is really nice, you guys. It feels really snug and secured, you know, like it's not gonna fall off anytime soon. Not too shabby. So here's a few things, right? So like overall, you can kind of tell like the building material on this one's fairly cheap, but I do like that the foam seems to be breathable. It's enough padding in there that it's not like obstructive. I do like the fact that I don't have to use this. It's kind of concerning. Okay, that's really kind of concerning. You guys see these right here? I think when they measured it out, they didn't measure it properly to the point that like it's kind of bowing. But right now it feels like sturdy. Oh yeah. So like comparing it with this, the band, surprisingly this one feels sturdy. So at least they didn't cheap out on the armbands, but we'll see in a few months. Overall, not a bad product for its price. If you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up at the bottom right there, and also let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. And if you liked everything that is VR gaming and tech, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.